for you. Going to the moon.
Hey, what up, y'all? It's Cool, and I'm back again with another episode. And I told y'all I'd be back with another review, and I got that for you. I got this little drawing board from NextX. Now, it's been a while since I've done some children items, but you know KoolKard love the youngsters, so I couldn't turn it down when they hit me up and they said, hey, would you like to review these boards? And I said, yeah, of course. Yeah. So check this out, y'all. All jokes aside, I got this cool little magnetic drawing board. So it's mess-free, parents. No pens, no pencils, no crayons, no glue, no nothing. It's just some magnetic, colorful pixie dust inside of a drawing board like an Etch-a-Sketch. Yeah, but a lot larger. It's for ages 3 and up. So your 3-year-olds, your little toddlers, they can have fun too. And they don't have to make a mess all over the house. They don't have to do it. But this product right here will be great for them. This is said to help them with observational skills, mind power, their attention span, and their patience, as well as their imagination and critical thinking. This could be great for your child. Yes, it could be. And it could be great for you. You can have fun with it. This one's got a couple fruit themes. So basically, you're going to have a little drawing pencil on here. It's a little built-in drawing pencil that's attached. And then you're going to have an eraser that's built onto this. And then you're going to have a couple other little things like fruit that you can press on this and create images. So it's great. It's cool. All right. This is NextX, guys. I will leave the link down below so you guys can go do a little shopping. And I'm going to unbox these for you just so you can see what is in the box clearly. I know you just don't want to sit here and look at a box in my face. This one is the ocean theme one. This one's a little smaller than the other, but you know, it's a nice size. And oh, don't let me forget to tell you, it has do-it-yourself stickers. So they can put stickers on that board as well and all over your house and all over your table and on your walls. So this one right here has a little seahorse as the built-in pen. It has a crab eraser and it has a couple other little sea urchins that they can press down on this thing and create something. Oh, and don't let me forget to tell you that the plastic is made up of non-toxic materials, so you don't have to worry about your children biting on it and getting sick and all. It's healthy. All right, so check this out, guys. This is pretty much a big old Etch-a-Sketch with a couple things that come attached to it and some do-it-yourself stickers. Now this one is the ocean themed one, and here we got the seahorse pen I was telling you about, little seahorsey. We have to remove this paper here to get to the screen. So you got the little pen, and that's how it works. Bam, pretty cool actually. And then you got the little crab down here. A little crab eraser. Bop, gone. And you got this little, I don't know what this is, little baby seahorse or something. You can put that on there and make faces. So that's a face on the other side if you can see that. Let's see what this one is, guys. So you got this one here, little face. Stick it on there. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I kind of like it more than the Etch-a-Sketch. There's another face. Put that on there. Put that on there like that. Here comes the Krabby Patty. Bam, gone. Just like that. So this one's a little larger. I'm not going to write on this because I just showed you how you write on it with the other one. Same thing, same idea. This one just has a pencil. And it has the fruit. And here's your eraser. So same thing, it's a little larger than the other. And this one has the ABCs around it, around the sides. NextX, baby. I'm digging it. I like it better than the Etch-a-Sketch. Y'all check it out. This has been another one from your boy, KoolKard. Tell the kiddos I said, hey, when they play with this and have a great time, I know they're going to love it. So you guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like it, the thumbs down if you don't. But I'll be back. Guaranteed. See y'all next time. Period. Out.
Going to the moon. Going to the moon for you. Going to the moon. And I see spaceships and rockets, gold heart-shaped lockets. I'm the plug in the socket.